Let's step back and look at Earth, our home in the vast cosmos. Earth is a planet that orbits the Sun once every 365 days. This journey defines our year. While the Earth's orbit is technically an ellipse, it's so close to a circle that we often treat it as one. But Earth's motion doesn't stop there. It also rotates on its axis once every 24 hours. This rotation causes the cycle of day and night, and because Earth's axis is tilted at about 23.5 degrees, we experience the seasons. Without this tilt, life on Earth would be drastically different. Earth's moon takes about 1 month to orbit Earth. Its phases, from new moon to full moon, are a predictable cycle. Light from the sun takes about 500 seconds, or 8 minutes 20 seconds, to travel to Earth. Fast, but not instantaneous. In all of this, the orbit, the rotation, the moon, works together to shape the rhythms of life on our planet. Now let's talk about the orbital speed of Earth. It's moving at an average speed of about 29.8 kilometers per second and it orbits the sun. You can calculate this speed using the formula V equals 2 per us t, where r is the radius of Earth's orbit and t is the orbital period, which is 365 days. Now let's zoom out and look at the solar system, a vast collection of celestial bodies. At its heart, we have the sun, our star. The sun contains about 99.86% of the mass of the entire solar system. It exerts a powerful gravitational force, which keeps the planets in their orbits. Without the sun, nothing in our solar system would have the necessary gravity to stay in place. The solar system contains 8 planets, which orbit the sun in this order: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets vary greatly in size, composition, and distance from the sun. For example, Mercury, the closest planet, is rocky and barren, while Neptune, the farthest, is a gas giant with a harsh, cold atmosphere. But there's more. Beyond the planets, we have minor planets and dwarf planets, such as Pluto, which was once considered the 9th planet. We also have asteroids in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and comets that come from the outer reaches of the solar system. Many planets also have moons that orbit them. Earth has 1 moon, but Jupiter has over 70 moons. These moons vary in size, some small and irregular, others large like Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon. The strength of gravity varies throughout the solar system. The strength of a planet's gravitational field depends on its mass. The more massive the planet, the stronger its gravitational pull. For example, Jupiter, the largest planet, has a much stronger gravitational field than Earth. But gravity doesn't stay the same. It decreases with distance. So if you're farther from the planet, you feel less gravitational pull. Now let's talk about the sun. The sun contains most of the mass in the solar system, so its gravitational field is much stronger than that of any planet. The sun's gravity holds all the planets in their orbits. If the sun's gravity disappeared, the planets would drift off into space. However, as the planets move farther from the sun, their orbital speeds decrease. Mercury orbits the sun the fastest, at about 47.87 kilometers per second, while Neptune, the farthest planet, moves at just 5.43 kilometers per second. Gravity, the force that governs the motion of objects in the solar system, has a profound effect on planetary movement. The strength of a planet's gravitational field is directly related to its mass. Larger planets like Jupiter have stronger gravitational fields compared to smaller planets like Mercury. However, gravitational strength decreases with distance, which is why planets farther from the sun, like Neptune, orbit at slower speeds compared to those closer, like Mercury. To sum up, Earth is a planet moving through space in a cosmic dance around the sun. It orbits once every 365 days and rotates on its axis every 24 hours, giving us day and night. The moon orbits Earth once a month, and the sun's light takes about 500 seconds to reach us. Earth's orbital speed can be calculated using the formula V equals 2 per t. The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, dwarf planets like Pluto, moons, comets, and asteroids, all bound together by the force of gravity. The sun's gravity is the strongest, holding everything in place, while the gravitational strength of planets decreases with distance. And that's the solar system in a nutshell. Our home, Earth, spinning and orbiting through space with the sun's gravitational force guiding the way. So next time you look up at the night sky, think about the incredible motions happening above you. Motions that have been happening for billions of years and will continue long after we're gone.